So you're trying to focus on your meditation, taking in the experience and being present. But it doesn't take long before you catch yourself thinking about a million other things, like what you should have for dinner tonight, how you are behind schedule at work, or what new series you need to watch next. You then lose hope in your own ability to ever being able to learn to meditate, which leaves you unmotivated and frustrated. But this is completely normal and to be expected. Your mind is a highway of thoughts, all fighting to get your attention, but you can choose what you focus on. So let us focus on something very specific, something relaxing and something calming, your breath. And as you learn to stay with your breath, the flow of thoughts will naturally decrease over time. Just be patient and enjoy the process. So sit in a comfortable meditation posture and then gently close your eyes. Now become aware of your breath, your beautiful, peaceful breath. As you breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. Breathing in healing and breathing out stress, recreating balance inside of your body and mind. Now let us help the mind stay focused on your breath by counting each inhaling and exhaling. Breathing in while counting 1 in your mind, and breathing out while counting 2 also in your mind. Your mind can only focus on one thing at a time, so let us center the mind so that the flow of thoughts can naturally decrease. So just relax and breathe into your stomach. 1, and then breathe out fully. 2, breathing in deeply. 1, and breathing out fully. 2, inhaling 1, and exhaling 2. Breathing in healing 1, and breathing out stress and tension 2. Breathing in 1, and breathing out 2. Inhale fresh air 1, and exhale pollution 2. Breathing in 1, and breathing out 2. Inhaling 1, and exhaling 2. Continue to breathe in your own tempo. Breathing in on 1, and breathing out on 2. allowing your mind and your body to be completely relaxed. Stay with your breath, breathing in on 1 and breathing out on 2. If you lose your focus, don't worry, it is completely normal. Simply return to your breath, counting your breath and enjoying this peaceful moment of balance and calmness. So breathe in on 1 and breathe out on 2. Inhaling healing air on 1 and exhaling stress and negativity on 2. Just relax and stay with your breath. Breathe in on 1 and breathe out on 2. Breathing in positive energy 1 and breathing out toxic energy on 2. Breathing in on 1 and breathing out on 2. Feeling relaxed and enjoying this moment of pure relaxation. Now, when you are ready to return to your day, take another deep breath and then very gently open your eyes. How do you feel? Remember that meditation is about feeling good, enjoying the process, and allowing yourself to relax. But meditation can sometimes seem overwhelming, and that is why it is important to start small, starting with only a couple of minutes until you get used to it. So be sure to check out this beginner's video right here, which will show you how to meditate in 5 easy steps so that you can get a successful start to your meditation practice. Namaste.